Filing your crop insurance claim, a complete guide. When disaster strikes your farm, knowing how to properly file a crop insurance claim can make the difference between protecting your investment and facing significant losses. This guide will walk you through the essential steps and timing of the claims process, preparation and initial documentation. If you know severe weather is approaching, take preemptive action by documenting your crop's condition. Capture photos, videos, or drone footage of your fields, and ensure all inventory and production records are safely stored. After the weather event, document any damage with photos, video, and drone footage before an adjuster visits. Do not dispose of any plant material or destroy crops until you receive permission from an adjuster, preferably in writing. Please be sure to report any losses. How do I know when to file a claim? File a claim whenever crop damage could impact your yield or crop value. The adjuster will determine whether your yield falls below your policy's yield guarantee, applicable to both revenue guarantee and traditional yield protection policies. While policies typically require notification within 72 hours of discovering crop damage, it is best practice to contact your agent immediately when you discover crop damage. If you discover damage during harvest, stop immediately and notify your agent. For post-harvest discoveries, you must file within 15 days of completing each unit's harvest and before your insurance period ends. How do I initiate a claim? Begin by calling your crop insurance agent immediately, following up with written communication, preferably email, and keep copies for your records. Your insurance company will assign an adjuster to inspect your crops. Remember, initiating this process is your responsibility. How soon should I expect an adjuster? The urgency of inspection varies based on circumstances. If you are still within the window of opportunity to replant your crop or switch to another crop, contact your crop insurance agent immediately. After major events like hurricanes or severe drought, the urgency for inspection depends on your intentions. If you plan to destroy the crop, perhaps to plant cover crops, an adjuster must inspect before any action. If you'll continue caring for and harvesting the surviving crop, the inspection is less time critical but should still occur promptly. Critical waiting period guidelines. While awaiting the adjuster, remember these rules. Don't destroy any crops. Avoid disking or plowing. Do not replant. Maintain all evidence until receiving permission from the adjuster. What should I expect from the adjuster? During the scheduled inspection, your presence and input are valuable. The adjuster will review your policy details and explain available options. Have your production records ready, showing acreage and crop locations. The adjuster should have your policy documents and your actual production history. How is crop yield calculated? Yield assessment varies by crop type. Some require plant counting within sample areas across the field, while others, like blueberries, focus on determining pounds per bush. Adjusters may photograph your fields, compare with neighboring farms' conditions, consult local brokers about average yields, and review weather data. This isn't guesswork. Adjusters undergo extensive training and maintain professional certifications. Key deadlines to remember. Report crop damage promptly. Before any replanting, especially for policies with replanting payments. Within 72 hours of damage discovery, 15 days before harvest if loss is possible, within 15 days after completing harvest by insurance unit, or at the insurance period end. Most importantly, never destroy claim evidence without explicit, preferably written, insurance company approval. If you have any questions, please reach out to your loan officer or crop insurance agent.